Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm excited to let you know that Protastructure 2025 is actually out. You can see this is how it looks like. It looks a bit different from the icon of 2024 downward. You can see how this 2025 looks like. I will just double click on it. Let's just have a little overview of how Protastructure 2025 is. Alright, if this is the first time you are watching any of my videos, I want you to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. All right, so let's wait for this to load. Okay, it's loading project setting, loading report manager, preparing the graphics interface. Let's wait for it. Okay, and we are here. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. This is Protastructure 2025. Okay, let's come to new project. Let's just have a little view of how it looks like. You can see this one, Brazil, Colombia. Oh, Ghana has been included. Oh, that's great. So if you are from Ghana, congratulations to you. I don't think the 2024 has Ghana. It doesn't. So Ghana has been included. This is a very big win. So if you are watching this from Ghana, I tell you a very big congratulations. South Africa is also here. I think South Africa has been there before. So this is good. This is good. So let's, as usual, pick BS 8110. I think this United States started from 2024, if I'm not mistaken, from the 2024 version. So if you are from United States and you are watching this, you can make good use of Protastructure for your structural designs. Let's just call this trial, or let me call it overview. Okay, I'll click on OK. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see this is how the interface is. It looks a little bit similar to the 2024 version, but there are a lot of features that has been added to this. You can see the space truss. I'm sure this is not available in the 2024, so this is very good for you to have. It's important that you always update your softwares to the most current one. It usually makes your work way more easier and faster. The truth is there are always new features that are always added to this softwares. If you are an engineer and you are listening to this, it's very important that you update your softwares. Very, very important. So as for you to always make your work way more easier and faster for you. Okay. All right, you can see this Protas still the icon here is not the same with that of 2024. This is just for you to see how this hole looks like. We are going to do a proper overview of Protastructure 2025 together even as we progress, so as for you to have a deeper insight of how the 2025 is. Okay, if you love what you are seeing, make sure you just like this video and give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to the channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to always get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. So make sure you stay safe and you stay blessed.